In a field of barley, a male brown hare is searching for a female. Using his excellent sense of smell, he can tell that there is one nearby. But getting to mate with her won't be easy. He must deal with 3 challenges before she'll consider him. First, boxing. To impress her, he must match her strength, but be careful not to hurt her. Only if he can hold his own will he be allowed to move to the next stage. He puts up a good fight and so passes her first test. Her second test? Stamina. The chase attracts other males, all fired up and eager to mate. His final test is to get rid of his rivals. Despite their competition, he hangs on to the top spot. But distracted hares must be careful. Their courtship competitions have made them conspicuous. A golden eagle can spot one from 2 miles away. In a straight line, the eagle is faster, but by twisting and turning, the hare dodges its attacks. Nonetheless, she is relentless. Golden eagles once chased hares across all of our isles. But as our wild grasslands have diminished, these contests have become a rare sight.